Have you ever felt like you're running on empty no matter how long you sleep? Or maybe your nights are a battle with tossing and turning while your mornings feel like climbing a mountain? Here's the secret. Your sleep schedule is either your best friend or your worst enemy, and fixing it could transform your energy, your focus, and even your happiness. Miss this, and you'll keep dragging through life half awake. But watch till the end, and I promise you'll learn how to reclaim your nights and power up your days, starting tonight. Importance of sleep. Sleep supports memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and physical repair. Lack of sleep is linked to chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and mental health disorders. Stages of sleep: non-REM sleep, essential for physical restoration. REM sleep, critical for learning, memory, and creativity. Sleep deprivation effects: cognitive reduced focus, memory loss, and slower problem-solving skills. Physical: lower immunity, hormonal imbalances, and fatigue. Blue light exposure. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production, delaying sleep onset. Discuss the importance of limiting screen time 1 to 2 hours before bed. Diet and sleep. High-fat and sugary foods late at night can disrupt sleep cycles. Stimulants like caffeine should be avoided after mid-afternoon. Irregular sleep patterns. Shifting bedtimes confuse the body's internal clock or circadian rhythm. This leads to difficulty falling asleep and waking up at consistent times. Light exposure. Get sunlight exposure in the morning to reset the circadian clock. Dim artificial lights in the evening to signal to the brain that it's time to wind down. Sleep hygiene. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Keep the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Building sleep pressure. Avoid naps longer than 20 minutes to ensure enough sleep drive by bedtime. Evening routine. Engage in calming activities like reading, journaling, or light stretching. Avoid stimulating activities, heavy meals, and intense exercise close to bedtime. Dietary tips. Foods that promote sleep. Bananas for magnesium, almonds for melatonin, and chamomile tea. Stress management. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to lower cortisol levels. Consistency. Reiterate the importance of a set sleep schedule. Consistency trains the brain to anticipate sleep and wake times. Your dream sleep schedule isn't just a fantasy, it's within reach. Now you have the tools to reset your nights and wake up to better mornings. Don't let another sleepless night steal your productivity and peace. Try these strategies, share your progress in the comments, and send this video to someone who needs to stop hitting snooze on their life. Remember, great days start with great sleep, so make it count. I'll see you in the next one.